upcycling to completely reinventing. Your rubbish is literally someone else's treasure. Plant your waste in the right place and it can seriously grow into something new. Imagine the jam jar that you emptied at breakfast time becoming the fiberglass inside the next plane that you take to somewhere hot and sunny. Your plastic bottles disposed of responsibly can be made into synthetic fabrics. You could have contributed to the swimming trunks worn by a future gold medal winning swimmer. You might even be wearing recycled waste right now. What if an aluminium can that once touched your lips became part of the bodywork for the rocket in the next mission to the moon? How incredible! Simply by recycling, you can make history. The power is in your hands.